That it is a seamless design. What is seamless design?
Yes, because you know, for the linear, maybe indoor lighting, it will be very easily to connect seamless. But for outdoor, how?
Seamless application, normally we just put two lights together, not just not connecting by some connectors in the middle. But you know, we also have designed it in the products to make them seamless when we connect them together, right?
Yes.
So you know, the wall washer we're using for the buildings, normally we are not just using one pieces.
Of course.
Yeah, we use many pieces and they connect together, right?
Yes.
So from the screen you can have a look, and you know, the seamless I mean here is the distance between two chips in the same product.
Yes.
Is same as the distance when you put two lights together, right?
Yeah.
So these chips and the other chips, the distance is still the same.
Okay, understand.
Yeah, so what I mean, I conclude again, is the chip distance in the same product is same as the chip distance in two different wall lights when they are connected.
You are the expert.
I'm also dizzy, a little bit dizzy now. So we can ensure the effect is continuous with no dark area, right?
Yes, understand. Yes, so after we introduce so many features like the seamless design, waterproof connector, like so many to our audience. Maybe now they cannot wait to see the live effect, right? So firstly, we would like to show you our lighting show based on this wall washer.
The coming video you see was taken from our showroom. So we create an effect very attracting, like a time tunnel with RGB effect.
Yes, I cannot wait to see.
Just like a fairy tale. So let's see the video.
Yes.
Right. Okay, so we have to clap our hands, just me. What a light show here, very impressive. So all the effects are controlled by, you know, DMX system.
Yes.
To make the RGB effects, so it can do more out of your imagination.
I cannot wait to see it. I believe you too, right?
Yes.
Okay, but we have something more. Yes.
Yes, we have more suggestions for our audience, like you want to illuminate the flat. So you can see the flat beam angle. You know, if you want like this wall, you want to light it up. So the beam angle we recommended is 10 by 60 degree. So what is 10 by 60 degree? It means when you are looking at the lights from the front, see at this direction, the light beam angle is 60 degree, right? Each chip is 60 degree coming out. So the whole light beam angle from the front will be 60 degrees. But when you look at it from the side, from the side, then it will be 10 degree. 10 degree, very narrow. So what's the advantage? Means we can use our lights, more, how to say, more effectively. Because we are, from the side, we are using a narrow beam angle, right? So the lights can be, more focusing to reach a higher distance. But with also a even light effect from the front side.
Okay, understand. So, and if you just want to focus on some position, so and make it more attractive, just to adjust the tilting angle and the bracket, right, Albert?
Yes. So if like the bridge, which just mean also showed just now, the arc shape, put 2 wall lights on both sides to cast the lights. So, and they can light up together and make the lights very uniform.
Okay. So, Albert, I believe today we have shown a professional outdoor lighting class here. Yes, we talk so much and I'm a little bit tired now. Yes, and we hope we hope our audience also can get a lot and buy a lot, right?
I hope so.
Okay. Yes. So, but don't forget, we also have a big promotion here. So maybe from
big promotion.
Yes, big promotion. So from the beginning of the Canton Fair, 5th June to 25th of June, we can provide you up to 10% discount. And for the but maybe some of our audience cannot catch the time. But don't worry, don't worry. So maybe from 26th June to the 5th of July, we can also provide you up to 6%, both of the discount based on the order over $20,000. Yes.
So I hope you can catch the opportunity.
Yes.
And don't hesitate to contact us, right?
Yes, leave your message to our colleague and contact us.
Okay, so just thank you today.
Thank you.
Today we are finishing here, all right? See you.
See you. Bye-bye. Hello everyone, this is Jasmine.
Hi everyone, this is Albert, and we are so excited to be here because this is our first show on the Canton Fair.
Yeah, well, we are a bit late, but finally we are here. So there is an old saying like, opportunity comes when you are prepared.
Yes, and now we are prepared. From 15 to 24, we are here to show you different topics every day. What a light feast. Every day we have 3 broadcasts, including commercial lightings, decorative lightings, and project lighting solutions.
I must subscribe Huayi channel. How exciting the show is.
Thanks, but honestly, very sad this day, the coronavirus spreads over the world. So we know some of you are getting through a very tough situation, but we sincerely hope we can get over this as soon as possible.
We pray for you and hope the disease will end soon. But at this time, also a chance, right? As many people can spending more time in the internet. So we are here and want to show our company and our products.
Yeah, please follow us on the different society media like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. We'll keep posting the latest product information there. So you can see the screen here. You can follow us on this account.
Yes. So first of all, we would like to introduce our company and talk about the channel products developments and our product basket. So let's show some physical products.
And now you can pay attention to the screen. See, these are our industrial park photos. The company was established in 1986, occupied 200,000 square meters, and we have around 2,000 workers.
Yes, not only the industrial park we have, but also some impressive buildings in the town we have, like Huayilights Plaza, Lighting Era, International Hotel, and more. If you have the chance to come here, we will sure that you will be shocked to see around.
And Jasmine, Huayi is the first one to have the national class laboratory in Zhongshan Guzheng, which is CNAS approved, and the test qualification is authorized by the third party, like SGS and TUV. And our products here have different certifications. like CE certifications for the European market, ETLs for the Northern America, BIS for India, RCM for Australia, and so on.
Yes, it seems you have interested in our company, right? So let me show you our factory. See, you can notice the screen like same advanced machine. We like auto punching machine, which can handle a giant base lights. And laser cutting machine can cut the metal very accurately and make the lighting shape more exclusive. Here, now we just show you some picture of our indoor lighting production line, 8 lines. But we also obtained the outdoor lighting production line and decorated lighting production line. If you are interested, we will have another colleague to see you go around.
That looks very professional. So can we have some information about the products here today? Because I see you post many products here.
Don't worry, Albert.
Okay.
Let's show you our showroom first. We have the indoor lighting, in which we can explain all the basic spec about the lights, and the outdoor lighting, which can make the fancy landscape effects, and the decorated lights for the projects. But maybe it will be a little boring just to look the picture. So how can we show it more impressive, Albert?
Thanks to the technology, we create a VR link, which we can help you to explore our showroom and the factory just like in person. So we also record some videos and you'll play all day around. I'm sure you have already seen it. So yes. If that is not enough, you can directly ask our colleague to just make a conference call and face-to-face.
Okay, yes, it will be short and you can feel the real showroom without going outside like right now. So next, Albert, could you please show our market combination?
Yes, of course. The wholesale market, which are same as the channel buyers, like big brands or trading companies, take up around 60% share, and the project channel take the other 40%. And come to the world map, as you see in the on the screen, yes. You can see our main channel market is Europe and Asia. LED is a trend for the environmental friendly these days. I believe that the whole market will keep growing, and we will be benefit from it.
Of course, but Albert, what a shame that we are absent in the Lights and Build Frankfurt this year.
Yeah. Indeed, the online Canon fair is here now, so the client can see all our products just in their house. For the coming fair, like Guangzhou International Lighting Fair, yes. Or the Hong Kong fair, maybe we will still meet you on the internet. Who knows? But Jasmine, what do you think is the most important part for a company?
I think every part is equally important, like the R&D team. See, it combined with different small but smart team like our architectural lighting, decorative lighting, and others. Although we introduce these parts very simply. But in the following products introduction, I'm sure you will feel our strong development power.
I want to listen about the story about your lights development.
Yes.
What experience you have, or could you please share or introduce something for us?
Okay. Actually, in order to make the development much more easier or cost-effective, our team can help you to develop the products you want. You can notice the screen. We have showed the whole process, and you can learn about how we work.
Do you mean OEM or ODM service for the clients?
Yes. Now I would like to tell you detailed story. See one of our shopping mall lighting solutions. Yeah. At the beginning, the designer gave us an idea like they just want an adjustable downlight, but with invisible heatsink. Just like the middle solution, we provide kinds of the check light and the service mounted downlight. But my feeling told me that it was not easy to win this order.
Well, I think so, because the clients or the designer, they always have something very special in their mind. So they have their opinions about the lights. So we have to provide several solutions to them, not only one. So during this stage, we can set up the confidence between each other, because we can talk to each other, right? Yes. So this is a win-win business.
Exactly. So for the first proposal, we couldn't get approval, obviously, and the designer made the drawing like the pictures. Okay. And yes, after that we provide client drawing and the idea to our R&D team, and get some technical details. And of course, at the beginning we provide the initial drawing on December 2018, but we got the final confirmation on June 2019.
Okay. From December 2018 and June 2019.
Yes.
Seems only half year, right?
Yes.
But as my experience, half year is not very long time for the product development. Since if we want to develop some perfect items, it takes at least 1 or 2 years. So but sometimes it will be shorter if we have some extra resource. But 6 months is really short.
Yes, but during these 6 months, we are not just to finish the appearance of the model, but we also need to improve technical details like the structure, like the lumen outputs, specular, and so on. So for the mood, you can notice that the screen, we provide 2 proposals for them. One was economical, and the other was original design. But the designer's mind. Once they decided something, it is hard to change. Even we proposed the cost-effective solution, they didn't want it.
Okay, I see you brought one sample here today. Is it the same light here?
Yes, this is the final product.
Very big one.
Yes, very big.
Okay, so I guess not everyone is pursuing some cheap products, especially like designers, because they have some special requirements for the lights.
Yes, exactly. So for the next part, and the lumen outputs and the facular, they also demand very strictly. Initially, the clients just provide a budget for us. We give several solutions, but finally they selected the Cree. But because of the quantity, we also need to negotiate with our chip supplier to cut the cost and push the order. That is also our responsibility.
Right. So the important thing is to give a suitable solution, not just like cheaper and cheaper, right? Yes. So we need to change the position with the client and think, not just lower our head and just work.
Yes. Under this situation, we also need to find the material suppliers like the C reflector. You see this, our final product is a very big size. Yeah. Yes, so we also developed together with our reflector suppliers, since there is no such the big size item.
How big is it?
It's the 2020.
Okay.
Yes, my friends, but my story not finished.
Okay, just. Okay. Of course, after finishing the development, everyone wants to see the physical samples, not just like the drawings on CAD or just some papers, right? Yes. So next step, I think we need to do the mock-up for them, right?
Yes, of course, we have to do them. For example, like we will make 3 pieces. Like for the first one, we will provide for our clients. Second one, we will keep in our sales departments, and the last one we will keep in our factory QC departments. Better for the factory to refer when proceed the bulk production.
Okay.
Yes, and most importantly, the sample is to arranging the test. As we talked before, we have the lab with all advanced equipment, and we arrange to make the test like a spectrum testing, high temperature aging test, and some basic data test.
I think test is very important. This is for the quality. How do we design for the clients? Because a product need a very good packing, just like every woman, they need a beautiful dress.
Yes, packing always important. You see the script from the label, sign mark, laser logo on the fitting, and instruction manual. They have their own design. If they begin to do their brand, we could also provide our idea for them and help them to improve the design and strengthen their brand recognition in the market.
Sounds good. So your story is not very long, but I'm sure the work is very complicated.
Yes.
So today we have brought 9 series hot cell products here for you. So let's see what we have here.
Yes, are you ready, everyone? So, but Albert, like the hot cell 9 series, they also have the story. They are not just we call them hot cell.
Okay, but remember that we check our system data very clearly and also choose something very new based on the market research.
Yes, everything deserve. You can see a picture. We have the products type like SMD and COB downlight, check light, ceiling lights, and floodlights. But every market is different.
Yes, at the same time, we divided the clients into several types, like the importers, wholesalers, distributors, and the retailers. Each of them have very different market reference. For example, like the importers, right? They buy a very, very huge quantity, but the price is the lowest one. And the retailer, on the contrary, they prefer to buy something special, like architectural lightings, but with a small quantity. So this is more easier for them to manage the stock.
Yes. Exactly, Albert. And we will send the annual reports to our clients. We can discuss together like their market wholesale items, which might be able to offer us the product development direction. So you see, within this 9 series, our products are complete, including like downlight, panel light, service-mounted downlight, ceiling light, and some outdoor lighting.
Okay. Yes. So today we have much to talk about. So let's get started.
Okay.
Right. On the screen, you can see different product type here, which Jasmine just mentioned about, and most of them we have samples here today to show the clients.
So firstly, we would like to introduce our downlight series. They are separate from SMD and the COB type. Okay. Yes, but all of them are the die casting aluminum. About the SMD type, we also separate from the ultra thin type and the type with the UGR less than 19. They all have the complete wattage.
Okay, so we can have a test on the effects of the downlight.
Yes, we can light them on.
Talking about this downlight, this is a flat type, right?
Yes, this is a flat type. And this is the type with the UGR less than 19. But maybe some clients will ask, they always hear the UGR. What does the UGR means, Albert?
Okay, so UGR is an international standard to evaluate if the light is comfortable or not, the effect. I mean, after the installation, maybe you will feel the light is so glare, so it hurts your eyes, so you feel not comfortable. But if UGR is less than 19, means the glare is acceptable. So this is one standard.
Okay, so could we turn this type on?
Okay, so this one you can. The UGR is less than 19.
Yes, this one.
So you can see a difference, right?
Yes. You can notice the frame of them. This ultra thin type, the frame is flat. But this one, why it could be reach the UGR less than 19? Because this we have the step here, and can decrease the glare. when it lights.
Okay.
So we also have another type of the COB. What's the something special? It seems very common.
Okay. So we have tested. We can also test these samples here. Firstly, we can turn them on. Have a look first. Okay. So we have samples here, and this is a COB type, and we already make the market research about this type. Firstly, we feel something like this is quite old design, right? But after our market research in the Middle East market, actually this one is so popular. Do you know why?
Maybe they are strong and like the bigger size.
Maybe, but because previously many people they are using a CFL fixtures, right?
Yes.
So CFL fixture is a big one, like 8 inches or 6 inches.
Yes.
So now everybody wants to change to the LED to save the power or save the cost. So and they feel that maybe COB is kind of like LED symbol.
Okay.
So yeah, this is what we show here.
Okay, obviously about this time we just obtain 18 watt, 24 watts, and 35 watts, such the big wattage, the type of the markets. So let's go to the next part.
Okay.
So we must emphasize the LED type is based on our like that time we based on our Middle East markets research.
Okay, so what type will you use in your house, Jasmine?
Well, I would like to use like some architectural spotlights and some mirror lights with 3000K, and that type will make me feel more warm. But I live with my parents.
Okay, so do I.
So they are old and always complain about they're too dark to use the spotlight, to use the mirror lights. So they will always prefer to use the panel light.
Yes, maybe it is because the panel light has a wider beam angle, so they always feel it's brighter,
Yes.
But the panel light we also can, divide them into 2 types. One is the recessed type, something like this, and the other one is the surface mounted one, like that type. So see the trimless lights here today we brought. Okay. So I also show the effects for you.
Yes. At the same time, you can notice the screen lock light, the other type. The screen is very how to say? It's very smoothly. Okay. And we can try the lights.
So this is the light effects. You notice something different from this type or maybe between this type and this type?
And maybe the thickness is very important, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Also, this light, the edge even can be illuminated. This is the biggest feature on this product. So this idea comes from the latest cell phone design, like all our cell phones, like we will have an curved edge screen.
Yes.
And this light is much like the cell phones. And we also have a fast connector type here. So when driver failed, we can change the driver very easily.
Yes. And for the second type, see our sample here. It's our sample. You can measure the thickness. Let me check.
Okay. I have a ruler here for you.
Okay, let me check.
So how thick is this one?
It's just 1 centimeters. So the thickness is very, yes. This design is also considered by the team to optimize the light effects. And also you can notice this clips can adjustable and be very conveniently when installed.
What is it for?
Because some people like me, if I installed in the, I think it will be very difficult to install this light. Yes, very difficult to fix to the ceiling. But with this design, I can use it very conveniently. Not ask my father every time to change the light. Yes.
I think this cutout is also adjustable, right?
Yes.
So even you make a wrong cutout, don't worry. Okay, we can still install it.
Yes.
And can you introduce the third type? This one is also a panel light, as I see.
Yes, you can feel this trim.
There's a step here.
Yes, also this design can reduce the glare and can guarantee. Although this type selected by my parents, but this type, yes, this type can make them to look around very clearly and feel more comfortable by the lights.
Okay, I can also see this light is very cost effective because the driver is doing, and also the whole fixture is plastic. So maybe this one is, you can make some promotion to the clients.
Yes, of course.
Make some price reduction. Some of the people, they don't want to cut the hole, right?
No.
Because maybe they're using a concrete ceiling or something. So what can we propose?
Yes, that is a good question. They can use the surface mounted down lights, and also we divide into the 2 parts. Yes, just now we have 2 type ones. First one is for the SMD, and the second one is for the COP type.
Okay, I know this type. I very often see this item on the market. So I think this one is very common, nothing special. So what's our point here? Is it very cost effective?
Half. Cost always competitive for the series we show today. Okay. Most importantly, our price we also have the promotion, a big promotion during this special annual fair. Let's break in our promotion time. Okay. You can notice that our promotion poster on the screen.
What promotion we have here today?
Yes, you can notice our promotion poster on the screen now, right? We will give you up to 10% discount from now to the end of the annual fair, 25th June. If the order over 20,000 USD, but if you could not catch this time, don't worry. We still could give you up to 6% discount to 5th July. So don't miss the big chance.
Don't miss the big chance. And how you have to contact your sales? You can ask our colleagues. Maybe they can offer you, more discount. I don't know. Okay.
Yes. Okay. So now let's back to our service downlight series. Yes. I have 2 samples in hand now. I have 2 samples here in hand. One is produced by ourselves, and the others provided by other suppliers from other markets. Okay. It seems the same on the front side, but let's see the back side.
Maybe we can go to the camera.
Okay. It will be more clear.
I help you.
Okay. Thank you. The backlights of us, it can lock very tightly, and the lights will not leak out. But here, compared with other sample, the backplates is very loose, and we have checked inside. It also needs some other plates to fix, not very stable, and will do harm to the heating.
Okay, usually, I think the things looks the same. The details depends. It's very useless to just complete the price. And you know the painting I think here is also different, right? From the backside, as I see.
Yes, exactly. The painting also will influence the cost. Obviously, our products have the uniform painting. You can notice the details. Even the gap between the backplates and the front side, we'll make it much more carefully. But for the other example,
right.
Yes.
Here you can see.
Yes, see here.
So what's the point? What's the point on here?
So just now we talked. Painting also will influence the cost.
So I think these details, these are actually very detailed points. Points from the here and say they are the same actually. So I think details decide about and also the price. No joking.
Yes, you're right. And for the COP type, we design. We also have to design. This time we bring the type with the frosted lights, but you also can change the type light. Just now the downlights which we have the frosted design in front of the COP.
So it's not clear, but I think somebody they will think COP means clear, not comfortable. But I see here we use a frosted bars even or just in front of the COP chips. So we can feel more comfortable, right?
Yes.
Maybe we can also turn this on.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I see the effect is okay, acceptable.
Yes. And how about the other one?
Okay, we also need to turn it on.
Yes, yes. Compare the different light effect of the
Let's turn on them both.
SMD and COP.
Let's turn on them both. Okay, so this is a different type. This is COP and this is SMD.
Yes.
You can see a different effects. Because I guess maybe some product clients they don't know what is SMD or what is COP, but now you know.
Yes, now we have the good explanation here. Okay, so let's go to the next series.
Okay, so next one is the ceiling light, I think.
Yes.
This part is we use a lot in the house, right?
Yes, it must be the ceiling light.
Okay. For the ceiling light, you can notice the minimum voltage is 12 watts here, and the maximum is 30 watts. Like the living room 24 watt is not enough, right?
Yes.
12 watts will be enough for the bedroom. So like left side on the screen, you can see the left side. Left side we also designed the CCD change bulb with the remote controller. What is CCD change bulb means the color temperature can be changed. You can also test here.
Okay.
Okay, so this is a cold white color temperature,
Yes.
and when we turn it off and turn it on, it becomes a warm white. So
maybe this light, maybe we will still go in the bedroom before you go back.
Okay. So turn it off and turn it on again, it becomes 4,000. So hopefully you can get 3 color temperature in one light.
Yes.
Okay. So we can apply different applications, no matter like bedrooms or kitchens or some other places. We can also use this one.
Okay, how about the right side? What's the advantage of it? We also have the sample here, but I think just the appearance is different. What is the real difference?
Okay, good questions. This one, could you notice the trim we use here is aluminum type?
Yes.
Also, we design the whole structure as a waterproof structure.
Okay.
So this item is IP65, means waterproof. We call it waterproof simply. So this can be better used in the toilets.
Okay. So here comes the street lights. The biggest advantage is the flexibility normally. We use in the like a curve or some location which have the slots to hide the street lights.
Okay.
Yes.
And based on the voltage, the street light can be divided into high voltage street lights or low voltage street lights. Sometimes using high voltage street lights is very easy. High voltage street lights you can directly connect to the power and turn it on. But low voltage street lights we need to use a remote driver. So many people feel why should I use a low voltage street light? It's more costly and more complicated on the installation. So this is the first type to divide it based on the voltage input. The secondly we can divide the street light into IP20, IP65, or IP67. This means a different waterproof ability.
Okay.
So IP20 we can use in house. IP65 you can use something some areas like areas in toilets or kitchen. IP67 street lights we can use directly exterior environments.
Yes, here, yes, when speaking like IP20, IP65, maybe some clients or some audience know. And how to speak which one is IP65, which one is IP67, which one is IP20, or which one is the low voltage, which one is the high voltage.
So you can just have a look, close look on the product.
Okay, so for this one we can notice this is the
can you show on clear?
Okay, look on.
Be more clear from closer distance.
Yes, like this one, they are just some bare visible, so without the silicon, right?
Okay.
Yes, so that is we call the IP20 street light, and you can also notice it not with the sunlight plug, so it's also the low voltage. Let me see, it's the 24 voltage low voltage type. And how about this?
How about the IP65? Don't go.
Okay.
This continue. You can use this one.
Okay, so like this one is the IP65 I would just mention with frequency silicon, right?
This is the power, right? Second power.
Silicon. And for this one is the high voltage 2020 volt to maybe 2040.
Normally, the cost which decided the street lights, the spec is like how many chips you use per meters. The more chips you use means the more even lights you can get. There's some client they said I don't want to see the dots, I don't want to see the light dots. So it means they will require to use more chips on non-meter street lights. Okay. And here even the street light, the low voltage street lights we have a different voltage input because they're both low voltage input. One is 12 watts input, one is 24 volt input. But normally the 24 volt input we can lower it longer than the 12 watt input. Okay. So normally we use this one in project.
And you can also notice our packaging. We design 5 meters per row and came with the 80 watt driver.
So normally we can ship to the clients like one row with one driver, one set.
Yes, but like for some projects, like every space have different lengths. Maybe for the project, if you have the needs, you can tell me before you place the order. Tell me how long the meters you want to cut, and you must tell us.
I think the client can also cut their sites, but we need to supply more accessories like the end caps and the connectors and the glues so they can manage their sites.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, but that was for a project. Now we are talking about the channels, right?
Okay, yes. Okay, about the package, you can also check the below pictures which belong to one of our clients. In order to they design this in order to impressive the company image. Like you can notice the inner box and the outer box also will print their company's logo on it.
This is designed by who? From the client or we help with design?
Half because we quietly have a giant database. If the clients like you maybe just begin to sell the lighting, maybe we can provide our experience or our other clients sample for you to design. But like some big company, like some top brand like Panasonic or Philips, maybe they will give their design to us and we can also follow their step.
What else can we do on the package?
Yes, I would like also you could also print your logo. You can notice you show in front of our
it's my turn. So the logo is here, right?
Yes, the logo. Yes, you can print your logo on the PCB board.
Can you see?
Yes, this time we print our Huayilights logo.
Okay.
Yes. So even like this very basic products we talked now, pay attention to every details and you will get them much more markets.
So
similar the products as the strip lights, we have kinds of the cabinets for your reference. You know, Albert, like me, always thinks my clothes and skirts not enough, not beautiful enough, not colorful enough.
I think Erica, just like you, not never satisfied with your clothes.
Yes, because always I think it could be colorful and beautiful enough when I decide to buy them in the shop. But when they enter my wardrobe, oh my god, too dark. I think a lack of the cabinet lights, I even cannot find them, even they are new.
Like you said, you want to make the clothes more colorful, so the cabinet lights comes out. But unfortunately, we don't have samples here today, so maybe we can send the latest brochure to our clients.
Yes, of course.
And the difference between the strip lights and the cabinet lights is, the cabinet lights could better be fixed with the cases, like the wardrobe, the cabinet. The strip light is soft, it's flexible. So you can notice that we have 7 types of the products here on the screen. Surface mounted, recess mounted, front or back installation, no light spot, very even light effect. The cabinet light also can be set with smart switch.
Oh, smart switch always make me more convenient to use it.
Smart switch, I'm sure you have seen already in some hotels, right?
Yes.
When you open the wardrobe, then the lights will be turned on. When you close it, the light will be off. So so the lights can be also with the touch sensor. Touch sensor means like the color temperature changing items, which we showed just now. When you touch the button, you can change the color. So very smart, very convenient.
Okay, it sounds
you can even use it in your kitchen, because many friends tell me that in the kitchen they don't have enough lights.
Okay, it sounds a good idea. So here comes our check light series.
Okay, so we can put away the strip lights.
Yes.
So now we're talking about the track lights here. Okay, so this is a very common use product. The best products for the commercial area. I'm sure you love shopping, right?
Yes,
so every time you go out, you go to many shops, you will find they're all using this kind of track lights. This track light, they don't even need the false ceiling. They just install on the tracks. So even you don't have a false ceiling, you just have a concrete ceiling, then it can be used as well to save a lot of the decoration cost. And secondly, after some time, if the track light is failed, then you can just change the other one. Very easy operations. So I think this is a very good product for the commercial area.
Yes. So now maybe when you go around, no matter like Uniqlo, Muji, or some even the luxury shops, you can see a lot of the check lights more than the downlights in the ceiling.
You often go to Muji, Uniqlo.
Of course. You can notice that they will use a lot of the check lights. But for our series, for this one, we have the full range wattage from 10 watts to 45 watts. But I will just show just one sample here. But by the way, so for some like European markets, people will prefer to buy the check light built-in driver. So this type can easily change into the built-in driver. No use this box.
Okay.
Yes. Also, for the right side, could you notice the logo in this place?
I see our logos here. When we produce the check lights, the clients always want to print their logos on it, but sometimes they cannot find a very good position to do print. So I think here you can have some stories, right?
Yes. Yes, this solution can solve this problem. The mode of the feed, let me show you in front of the
please.
Okay. So this is our own mode. You can notice the Huayi logo on our products. Okay.
Get closer, I cannot see it. Yeah.
Yes, this logo, and also this we have the logo.
Okay.
Yes, the mood of this feeling, we have our own Huayi logo. Of course, you must want to print your company logo here. So if the quantity is enough, we can talk to our factory to make your logo mood. Show this Huayi logo products always, since we have some Huayi agents around the world, like our South Africa agents. This solution can help them better to promote the Huayi check lights in their markets.
Okay, this sounds a smart and right way to promote the company image and get markets.
Yes, just now we talked about it, like shop lights. How can we change other applications? Let me choose could you show us some office lighting, Albert?
Okay, since the channel products also divided into product type, because just now we talked about the commercial areas and now we're talking about the office, I will tell you a secret about the market research of the products we are coming to talk about. Okay. This is a panel light, side panel light.
Okay, side panel lights.
And this is a base lights.
Okay.
So there is some secret in these two type of lights.
What kind of the secrets? Please tell the audience. I must, in front of us, all the boys want to listen.
Okay. Under the working environment, the leaders or the company owners, they always hope their staff to have a very high efficiency on the working, right?
Yes.
So in this case, the lumen output must be high enough. The color temperature must be cold white. So this is connected to human reaction research the market made. And so now we prefer to use two types of lights here. One is the side panel light, and the other is the base light.
Okay, it looks good, but I just see the different finishes. But what else special?
Okay. So both of the items you can see it's a frosted diffuser, right?
Yes.
So we're using PVC material for it.
Okay.
Using PVC material can let the product have the highest lumen output.
Yes.
Now our product have like around 100 lumen per watt output.
Of course.
And compared to the PNMA or PS, what's their problem? Because PNMA or PS they are very fat dry material. So during the transportation, sometimes it will get damaged.
Yes.
The PVC material solves this problem perfectly. And what is the difference between these two lights? You can have a look. The thickness is also different.
Okay.
So this one is very thin.
Yes.
It's like in the market, it's like 10 mm, 1 cm height. And this one is like a 3 cm height.
Okay.
So the difference is that this one is the base lit, back lit.
Okay.
And this one is side lit. And the backlit type could be better suitable for the ceiling, like the T-bar or triangle bar ceilings.
Yes.
Now it's very popular for the audience. And the side lights, we can have the suspension installation for lower height requirements. But honestly speaking, these two items share the same functions.
Yes.
Same effect, same function.
Yes. So
maybe we also turn on this and check.
of course we can.
Okay. So which one first? This one?
This one. I will help you.
So this is the effects you can see. You can show at once. This is the panel light, and we're using good chips and good drivers to make the product stable.
Yes, even the color temperature is 6,000 K and with the high lumen efficiency, but the light effects is not very clear to make the like obviously man feel more efficient to work.
Okay. So can we just like to make the lights color changeable as well? I think we can like just change the driver.
Just change the driver. You are the sales engineer.
And also you can see the backside actually the color is also very good and no light leaks.
Yes.
So this can ensure the lights can be maximum use from the front side, not just wasted at the back side.
Yes. So let's try another one.
Another one, right?
Okay.
And also one more, this one side lights, we call side lights because we have LED strips from the side of the items. So the lights comes out like in the horizon direction, and the lights will come out through the light sky plate.
Okay.
We can turn this off. Try the other one. Follow there.
So how about this one? This one you call the backlit, right? Backlit. So just now you talked about the side lights, the LED strip installed in the 4 trim. But so about this time, the LED strip installed stand in the middle of the plate, right?
Yes. This is the most common type in the market and also very popular. Why? Because the cost of this item is even cheaper than the side lights product. Because the structure is more simple on this product, and it has only one diffuser here and the back plate, and the PCB module, the LED module just stick on the back plate. So but you can see also the effect is very even.
Yes.
Very even, and the light effect is good. Even for these products, you can make a cutout or something. We can add a clips for you to just install like a downlight.
Okay, it sounds a good idea.
Not good idea, actually.
So today we bring the channel type of the floodlights, right? So, because just now we talked even a series of the indoor lighting. So now we would like to introduce some of our outdoor lighting solutions to our audience.
Okay.
Right? Let's see how it works.
Okay. So yeah, I can introduce this light for you. Due to the economic growth here nowadays, many people want to brighten up their house, their own house, not only the public architecture. So the personal house, to make the atmosphere, we consider like a small voltage floodlights to brighten the bushes or the shop walls. And this is from 10 watts to 50 watts. We're considering this is for general products, and the product this floodlight for up to 70 watts or 100 watts, 200 watts. Maybe they are using in a very special building because this building must be higher, bigger, and need more lights.
Yes, of course. So could we turn them on?
Yeah, later. Let me finish to show the features of this item. Actually, this I go front. Okay.
Let me help you.
So this floodlight, we spend long time on development. There are many highlights for it. For example, this is a plate design. You can see very smoothly for the edges, very smoothly. And we're using a super white glass here to get maximum light output. Also, the reflector inside is PE material. So the whole structure is designed to get the maximum efficiency output. And here we also have 2 access, right?
Yes.
One is for the power cord, and the other we can even install the air breather or some other sensors, human sensors, like PIR sensors like that. The driver is built inside. So this driver is very stable. Why? Because for the outdoor products, normally the critical specification is the surge protection.
Yes.
This range can be up to 10 kV surge protection in maximum voltages, and it also has the protection system for high voltage and low voltage situation.
What kind for this function usually in what kind of the markets?
For example, some countries, like South America or India or other countries, they have a very unstable power grid.
Yes, okay.
Sometimes the power get just like 110 volts, and sometimes it goes to 300 volts. So the protection system is very useful for these countries.
Yes, of course.
Can have a very protected system.
Yes, we will have the detailed introduction of the outdoor lighting on 18th June. Remember this time, if you are interested, and we will show more about our outdoor lighting solutions.
Okay, so just time goes very fast. Now we have introduced all type of products here today.
Yes, but don't forget we are not introduce our products to the audience. We are not only to show the products, and as a responsible sales, you also need to provide your service. So now please notice our script. I think after our brief introduction, you must have the doubts like how can we promote our own brand and our products, and how can we manage the goods. So today we will have a good idea based on some experience we cooperate with our clients, or some experience we follow by some top brand. So yes, so like this. Just like you will notice the screen, the blue one, we separate from different brochure. Like as we show the blue one for the channel goods which we talked just now, and the next part is for our architectural products. Next one. Yes, for some architectural products, and the green one for some hot cell outdoor and indoor lighting for the projects.
Sounds good.
Yes, through this way we can help to strengthen the company image and make the customer more convenient to help them to choose what they really need.
Okay, time goes really fast. Just our colleague will have another decorative light show later.
Yes.
They are preparing just beside us. So don't forget to have we have a big promotion during the Canon fair.
Yes.
So later on our colleague will again post the poster here, promotion poster. So remember, you follow us to see more products, right? Yes.
So don't forget our huayilights the broadcast, my friends. So from from 16 o'clock they will show some other self-developed decorated lighting. Very beautiful and unique. Don't miss it, my friends.
Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello everyone, this is Jasmine.
Hi everyone, this is Andy, and we are so excited here because this is our first show on the Canton Fair.
Yes, we are a bit late, but we are here. There is an old saying like, opportunity comes when you are prepared.
Yes, and now we are prepared from 15 to 24th. We are here and show you different topics every day. What a life is. Every day we have 3 podcasts: commercial lighting, decorative lighting, and project lighting solutions.
I must subscribe to your channel. How exciting the show is.
But honestly, it's very sad. This day the coronavirus spreads all over the world. We know some of you are getting through the tough situation, but we sincerely hope we can get over this together.
Yes, we're praying for you and hope the disease will end soon. But this is also the chance, as many people spend more time on the internet, right? So we are here and want to show our company and our products.
So please follow us on different society media like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and so on. We will keep posting new products information.
Okay, so first of all, we would like to introduce our company and to talk about the channel product development and our product basket. Last to show some physical products.
Now you can pay attention to the screen. See, this is our industrial park photos. The company was established from 1986, occupied 200,000 square meters, and we have around 2,000 workers.
Okay, so yes, not only the industrial park you see we have, but also some impressive buildings in the town, like the huayilights Plaza, International Era, and International Hotel and more. If you have the chance to come here, we are sure that you will be shocked to see around.
And you know that Huayili is the first one to have a national class lab in Dongshan,
yes,
which is seen as certified, and the test qualification is authorized by international third-party test organization.
Yes.
Our products have different certifications like the CE certificate for the European market, EDL certificate for North American,
yes,
and the BIS certificate for Indian market, last LCN for Australia, and so on.
Yes, it seems that you have started to interest in our company, right?
Yes.
Yes, so let me show you our factory. Like same advanced machine we have like the automotive machine, which can handle a giant base light, and the laser cutting machine can cut the metal very accurately and make the lighting shape more exclusive. But here we just show a indoor lighting production line, but we also append like the outdoor lighting, decorative lighting production line. Maybe if you are interested, please leave your message to our colleague. They will show you around.
That looks professional. So can we have some information about products now?
Don't worry, Andy. We will get to that part. But let's see our showroom first. We have indoor lighting showroom in which we can explain all the basic data about lights, and the outdoor lightings, which can make the fancy landscaping effects and also the decorative for the project. But maybe it will be boring just to look in the picture, right? How can we show it more impressive, Andy?
Thanks to the technology, we create a VR link which can help you to explore our showroom and factory just like in person. We also record some videos and we'll play all day round. If that is not enough, ask our colleague to book a conference call face to face.
Okay, yes, it will be short and you can feel the real showroom without going outside right now.
Yes.
So next, Andy, maybe could you please show some marketing combination?
Of course, the wholesaler, which are sent as channel buyers, like big brands or trading companies, take around 60% share. The project channel take the other 40%. And come to the world map, you can see our main channel market in Europe and Asia. LED is a trend for environmental friendly.
Yes,
this day, I believe the whole market will keep growing and we will be benefiting from it.
Yes, of course. But Andy, what a shame that we are absent in the Lights and Builds Frankfurt this year.
Indeed, but online Canton Fair is here, right?
Yes.
Client can see the product just in their house. For a company fair like Guangzhou International Lighting Fair and Hong Kong Fair, maybe we will still meet on the internet. Who knows?
Yes.
Jasmine, what do you think is the most important part for a company?
I think every part is equally important. Like the R&D team, see, it combined, like you know, with our screen, it combined with different small but smart team, like the design team, decorative lighting, architectural lighting, electronic technology. Although now we just show one picture and introduce very simple. But in the following product introduction, I'm sure that you will feel our strong development power.
And as before we talked, we have the biggest market share in Europe. So today we would like to share some experience, like what type of the products suitable for this market, or how they manage or promote their products in this market.
Yes, but Andy, the European market is big, and today we talk about the Western market. And in that market, our clients are mainly come from like 4 countries. Like you can notice our picture, the European markets met our clients mainly from the United Kingdom, Germany, France, and Spain. And they also can separate from different parts, from the importers, wholesalers, distributor, and the retailer. And today, the products we show today are analyzed based on our annual sales report in this market.
It sounds professional, but usually our clients in this market separate from like importer, wholesaler, distributor, and retailer. And definitely, since I have checked the series that we have prepared, they all are the small size. They're very small, right?
Yes, exactly. And that's also the important point we will talk about today. See like the string in the top left, in the